Hello everyone! Today we're showing you this multi-function tire inflator. Let's go ahead and show you guys what you get inside the box. Alright. Comes in a nice protective case. We love when things come in cases. Okay, we have our 12-volt charger, air compressor line, different nozzles, charging cable, USB charging cable, manual, and the device itself. Oh my word, they sure put that on there good. Oh my word. Wow. That stuff is a little bit of a mess. Leaves a little bit of glue, so we're gonna have to clean that up. As you guys can see here, it has a light on it. Pretty bright light. Press the light button down here. You have a couple modes here. Can change it from PSI to bar. We're going to set it for PSI. You can adjust the level and press this to go. All we do is thread this in. Just like that. Let's go ahead and inflate an object here. All right. Now, depending on what you're inflating, you're going to want to pick the nozzle appropriate. I think this black long one is going to work for our needs. And you would just simply connect it. Or at least it should connect. There we go. So have this open. So you want this straight out. Slide it in like this and then press down. And then we're going to go ahead, place it in like this. And here we go. Looks like it has auto-off feature. Alright guys, my honest opinion, it definitely takes a long time to inflate things. And we just did a simple inflatable and it definitely took a while to inflate it. So I'm going to say this is going to be for something that is small or for something that you aren't in a rush to inflate it. So if you have something like a basketball, you know, it will do that quicker. Football, soccer ball, inner tubes and stuff, it's going to take a little bit of time. So it's nice, it's portable and handy, but it's definitely not the most powerful one I've reviewed. It looks nice, and it's nice and handy and small and compact, but it lacks some power versus other ones I've reviewed. So I think this is one that either you have a very small object to inflate and you don't want to use your lungs, or if you just need a backup. It also works as a power backup as well for charging phones and stuff. Or if you don't care, you just simply want to inflate something, set it and forget it and let it go, then this would work decent.